Hello everybody, my name is Jack and welcome back to my channel, Genius Speaking, where you can learn Italian language for fun and for free. In today's video, I want to tackle a thing that maybe you've given for granted so far, but that very few, even Italian native speakers, know about their culture. And I'm talking about the ciao. Ciao, it is considered the standard salute in Italian language. If you like a little bit Italian language, if you're passionate about Italian culture, or simply you drop by an olive garden, you probably managed to flex a good old ciao. Ciao means hello or hi. It is the informal way to greet people in Italian language, but where does ciao come from? Well, in English we have hello, hallo in German, hola Spanish, hola Portuguese, hi for Danish, hello Welsh, hey for Finnish, hey for Swedish. And what about Italian? Ciao. So the Italian ciao differs so much from the international Indo-Northern European hi, hello, hello, because it has different origins. The origins of Italian ciao can be tracked in lower Middle Ages, where in Italy was very diffused the way to say I'm your slave. In order to be very polite, it was very diffused to say yes sir, I'm your slave. Sono schiavo vostro, where the word slave in Italian is schiavo. Ciao comes from the word schiavo because in the 12th, 13th century in Venice, people were used to say that phrase but in Venetian accents. Schiavo vostro in that accent becomes schiavo vostro. Using the formula schiavo vostro, it was a way to pay respect. It was a very formal way to greet people. From schiavo vostro, the shortened version became simply schiavo. It was easier and faster to say only schiavo to greet people. And from that, schiavo became ciao. And then, ciao. Of course, as you can find in other many videos on YouTube, some other Italian teachers will teach you that ciao, it is only one way you have in Italian language to greet people. Ciao, it is yet very informal, very friendly, and it is also true that in other situations it better be used salve. Salve, it is a very formal way to meet people you don't know yet, people you just met, or if you salute your boss, your superiors, if you're ever gonna meet the Italian Prime Minister, definitely you want to use ciao, but salve would be more appropriate. Also, you can step up the game and use correctly buongiorno and buonasera. Buongiorno and buonasera are other formal ways to greet people. Buongiorno can be used from morning till noon and can sum up either good morning or good day. After 2 or 3 p.m., it is best to use buonasera, good evening. While, pro tip for genius speakers, buonanotte, it is part of the family that starts with buon. However, hardly you're gonna say buonanotte, good night to your boss. It is something related to the personal sphere, and often you will greet good night to your relative ones, to your friends, to your lovers, etc. So good night, buonanotte, comes to be a very intimate kind of salutation. Ladies and gentlemen, class is dismissed. If you managed to like this video, please tell me and smash the like button. And of course, please subscribe to my channel, because just one click is the only way you can support my work. Watch other videos I made about Italian culture and Italian language here on my channel. But please remember, in the meantime, that you wait for another juicy lesson. Speak like a genius. Bye bye!